Hi guys and welcome back. The Bitcoin price has broken down and is now on the way to the technical target that I have shown you in the episode 2 days ago. So and now the obviously question is this a legit breakdown or is it just another fake out and the Bitcoin price will bounce back here to the upside and continue its way into higher levels, or will we actually reach the technical target all the way to the downside? That is something that I want to talk about. And I found also some interesting indications where Bitcoin goes in the midterm. So you should definitely stick around and don't miss this. If you're new to the channel, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate your notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. So now let's jump here directly in. So when we are looking at the Bitcoin price here on the 4-hourly chart, consolidating here in the symmetrical triangle has now broken to the downside. So, and I had shown you a couple days back and also 2 days ago, the technical target here would be all the way down at $23,440 approximately. So we can draw here a line like this. So there is most likely the technical target. The question is now, will we actually go that low, or will the Bitcoin price bounce back before we actually reach that level and starts to trend here upwards and turn around? The short answer is I don't believe that we will reach the technical target all the way down here at $23,500. So the reason for this is that first of all, we have a lot of support in this region here. So, and we can see that we got here nicely bought up when we came back to $26,800. We are still having here on the macro structure higher lows. So we have here this lower low and we have here all higher lows. This is all still a bullish structure. So, and we have not spent so much time trading in this area here. So, and because we did not spend so much time in here, we could not create some sort of resistance. So, and have only to go all the way back to when we were trading in this region, and that was actually forming support. That's why we got here this massive wick here where the Bitcoin price got immediately bought back up all the way up to $27,800. So, but regardless, now we have resistance at $27,700. So what would I do now right now? So first of all, based on the 4-hourly chart, I would still say on the sidelines. I would not enter a new trade. So I would just wait here a little bit based on the 4 hours to see what's happening here. Because on the daily chart, we see here first signs that we might reverse here in the immediate short term, because stochastic RSI is hitting today the bottom. And we should see some sort of a bounce here. So I would wait for this in a stochastic RSI before I open a new trade. So, and I would also wait for the price action to come back into this range here that we have broken down from before I open a new trade. But guys, if you want to trade in this volatile market and you're an experienced trader, then definitely go here to the Bybit trading team, where we can win together up to $8 million as a team if you trade in the Bybit competition. So, and if you don't have a Bybit account yet, then definitely take advantage of the $4,050 bonus that you get with my link for signing up here, only through my link, or you go to Phemex, there you still get $4,100, and on BitGet you get $4,163 with a 15% discount on the fee. So in total, we have here almost $20,000 in bonuses. If you trade all these bonuses only with 5x leverage, we're talking about here $100,000 trade absolutely for free. So definitely take advantage of that. So now let's get back into the daily chart. What I wanted to show you guys actually was that here the hash ribbons have finally flashed capitulation, as you can see here. So, and the question is now, has the market already capitulated, or will we actually get a little bit lower? My experience, we could technically go a little bit lower. So, but it would still, in my opinion, not go as low as $23,000 and break here this higher low, this lower low that we have here on the macro structure. But we could come close to it. So what do I mean by that? So when we go here a little bit back, then we will see it. So we could come down here to $26,700 where we were more or less already. So we could retest this and then actually start turning around. So you see here we get then here more of these darker darker green rings, then we get lighter green rings, and that's already when the price action is starting to pump here back to the upside until we get a buy signal. So, and the buy signal has always been reliable for a good swing trade on Bitcoin. So when we get here the buy signal, so we got, let's say we got here in the middle the buy signal, so we only measured this. So then you would have still made 53% all the way to the top if you would have cashed out at the top. If you would have been somewhere in the middle, it would be still 45% in a not so long time. We're talking here about 3 months. 3 months, 45% on Bitcoin is insane. So I take that every day. So especially if you would have leveraged this on, let's say 5x, so then you would have made here double your money in a matter of 3 months on this, on the specific Bitcoin trade. Sorry guys, don't know what's going on today. So just for the guys that don't know what the hash ribbons are doing, so they are showing when the miners are capitulating and basically technically going into a loss, which is then, so here, because that's why they're capitulating, because it's not profitable for them anymore in terms of price. So, and once the price action is slowly going up again, you see that here and this red zone is stopping, and then we are going back into the green. So here the green line is basically showing the profitability of the miners. So, and then must above the gray one. So, and then you see it goes above the gray one and they stay profitable. So, and now it is the first time since August 2021 that the miners are not profitable and are capitulating. So now you see from here, this can go on for around 2 months, even though I don't believe that this will last so long. But don't forget my scenario where I said it could actually last until September in the worst case scenario. So, but let's just hope that this is not the case in for this time, this capitulation, because we have seen in the past that we got here capitulation and then really quick also again a buy. So here it was within a month more or less. So you see that can also happen quite quickly. So we have also the weekly close today. So when we're looking on the weekly close is still also on a macro structure a higher low, which is technically bullish. So but I don't like how the stochastic RSI is looking here. That is a little bit bearish. So if I look here on the EMA ribbons, also here they're clearly turning out to the downside, which could be an indication that we go here in a prolonged bear trend if the price action is not coming really quickly back up here around to $43,000, $42,000 to flip the ribbon again around. Guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen and what is happening with the weekly close. And don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again in the next one.